How to fix Apple Intelligence not showing or not working on iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max iPhone. If the Apple Intelligence features aren't showing on your iPhone 15 Pro Max, here are some detailed steps to resolve it. Check for iOS updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to ensure you are using the latest version of iOS, as updates often bring compatibility fixes. Enable relevant settings. Go to Settings, Siri and Search and enable all relevant Siri options. Apple Intelligence features rely on Siri and system intelligence, so make sure features like Listen for Hey Siri and Allow Siri When Locked are turned on. Check device compatibility. Some Apple Intelligence features, such as certain advanced Siri and machine learning functions, may have region or model restrictions. Confirm that your specific model and region support the desired features. Restart your iPhone. Hold the volume and side buttons, then slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn it back on by pressing the side button. A reboot can fix temporary issues and refresh the system. Reset all settings. If the issue persists, resetting settings might help. Go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. This action will reset all system settings without deleting your data, but you may need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. Contact Apple support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Apple support as there may be a software or hardware issue specific to your device. Apple support can provide targeted troubleshooting and check for any known bugs. These steps should help resolve issues with Apple Intelligence on your device, enhancing features like Siri, on-device machine learning, and other AI-driven capabilities.